Alright guys, I'm going to discuss about graph using linked list and array list in this video. Okay, so let me start. I have one vector class here and then another class graph using list. Okay, so let us start with vectors first. I need one string element that I'm going to put in there, string element. Then after I need vector construct. Inside that constructor, I want to parameterize this string element. This element equals this element. That means the element input is going to stay in the element inside. Once we have this vector is ready, let's go and work in graph using list class. So as I said earlier, I need one array list and then one linked list for this one. So let me start with array list. And inside array list, linked list. So inside linked list, I am going to grab that vector that I recently created. Okay. After this, I need one name. Certainly, let me give AJ list. All right. At this time, this is null. To import array list actually, so util dot array list, Java util dot linked list. With this graph using list constructor, graph using list, I need to initialize this array list here. AJ list equals new array list. Inside that I need linked list. And inside that I need what? The vector that I'm going to put in there. And then termination. This is done. Now let's go and create the vector itself. Void create vector. And inside the vector, because I'm creating vector, I need vector, right? Then after I need one linked list so that I can put in there linked list LL. Okay, new linked list. All right, okay, I need to put in what sort of linked list? Vector linked list, okay. Vector linked list. So here I created one linked list of the vectors, right? Now, inside that linked list, I'm going to put that vector which I just, created. We have the list here, right? And in that list, as a list, I'm going to add that linked list. Look at here. In the beginning, we created a structure. Linked list is inside array list and vector is inside linked list. This vector is inside linked list here, and then this linked list is inside the array list. Let's go and create edges, okay? Void create edges, okay? And inside that, you want to put source, and then you want to put destination. To create source and destination, I need one linked list. Type of the linked list is vector. The name of the linked list is, let's say, source. So this linked list source receives information from where? From this list. So let us go and get this one, AJ list dot get source, SRC. Now, after I need what? Vector itself. Let's say vector destination. Again, in the same way, that data comes from AJ list. AJ list dot get. We use destination, and destination comes from where? From 0. So we are ready with this source and destination. Now, this source and destination needs binding of this source. You mean this source here, and dot add what? The destination. We connected source and destination using this linked list. With this, let's create one print graph method, a void print graph method. Because both are lists, right? We need to run it using two for loop. So first, let's start with the linked list. Linked list. Inside linked list, we put what? Vectors. So we need to put in here vector as well. Let's give the name, let's say LL. Linked list comes from where? Here. Okay, in a vectors, all in as a list, okay? AJ list. Now, after this, we need another for loop where we want to receive the vectors itself, vector V, and that comes from where? From here, this LL. We print it the way we want, okay? So you want to print V dot element, and then let's give a little bit of a space. Now, let us call the methods. Okay? Graph using list is our class, right? So we need to instantiate this class, okay? We have to make object of this class. So G equals new. Okay, G create vectors, all right? New vectors because this is anonymous class. So let's say Sam. Let me copy and paste Sam Tom. I'm going to use the same name that I used last time. And this is Ted and then Lex. Okay, so we have 4 vectors, and now let's create edges. Sam's place is 0, Tom's place 1. Let me copy this one and then paste here as well. Sam is in 0 place, Tom in 1 place. In the same way, Tom is in 1 place, Ted is in 2 place, and Ted is in 2 place, and then Lex is in 3 place, and then connection to Lex and Sam is 3 to 0. Now let's print it, print graph, all right? So everything looks cool, so let us run it. All right, so, okay. So I have this all there, so let me do one thing. Here, let me put one sys out so I can see it nicely. All right, let us check. Okay, here you can see that Sam and Tom has a connection this way, okay? Sam and Tom has a connection, Tom and Ted has a connection, Ted and Lex has a connection, and then Lex and Sam has a connection. Now, what do you want to do? If you want to add some other, then you have to give the index, okay, here. First you have to create vector, and then you have to provide the index of that vector here. Then it's gonna work. This is the basic structure of a graph using linked list and ArrayList. Hopefully this is clear. Thank you.